What we got here?
This is the Eclipson Inferno 3D printed Maiden. Hopefully
Take off.
There we go. All right, we ready, guys?
I'm ready.
Ready, guys? All right, here we go. Oh shit! Oh, look at that! It's flying. It's climbing. It's climbing.
I completely lost it. I don't even know where it's at.
Turn it around. Whoa! Oh shit!
Oh, whoa! A little chippy.
Oh, I see it now.
This fucking bitch.
Yeah,
Well, it's
a handful.
It's a little squirrely.
You got fucking ailerons, so you got a lot of throw.
It Alright, well, interesting. It flies, I'm surprised. I didn't really put it together very well, so.
Not wide open?
No, that is. It's not very fast, which is fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
But it seems to fly pretty good, I guess.
You just don't need a lot of throw on it, huh?
No. We'll try a roll. Nice. Still climbing a little bit. I'll be damned.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's sweet. Flies good, man.
Dude, it actually does fly pretty good.
You got it trimmed out now. Looks fucking good.
Coming at you, Ed.
Yeah.
I'll be damned. Those ailerons stick a little bit on the edge of that filament. So you kind of got to, fling it back the other way.
You probably just need to stand it down a little bit, huh?
All right, well, let's see if it'll,
Wore out.
I wonder how it'll be landing.
All right, about to find out.
Timer stop.
Oh, perfect. They're right there. Look.
Touch and go.
Touch and go, huh? All right.
It was gonna glide way far.
Yeah, I gotta get out of the throttle. And I gotta turn down that elevator a little bit or give it some more expo. Because it's touchy.
Timer stop.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. Oh, and it broke it!
What?
It broke!
Really?
Oh, it broke the boom, dude!
Oh,
Oh, what a pain in the ass.
oh, just glue and go.
I'll just glue it right back together.
Yeah. Look at that.
I'll be damned. All right.
All right, man.